here I've got 3 just canned foods I got from the dollar store. And I've just emptied all 3 of them because I'm not going to use that food. And we're just going to take some green wrapping paper. You can use whatever color you want, even brown possibly. But I'm just going to use green because this is what I have on hand. We're just going to tape these up. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to take some wrapping paper and just cover this whole can up. Doesn't have to look pretty because it's going to get all covered up at the end. We just want like a good solid color base. Just taping this up regular, just like any regular present that you have. Just gonna fold these corners in, so no need to tape those because those fit perfectly like that. This side I am gonna tape. All right, that's one. I'm gonna put that one to the side. I'm gonna finish these other 2. All right, now that these 3 are ready, I'm gonna bring in 3 different size plates. One's a little bit smaller than the other. I'm gonna start with 1 can on the bottom here. I'm gonna take some hot glue just all the way around that rim of the can. Now I'm gonna take my largest plate and try to place it directly in the middle and just give it a nice firm press. Just hold it there for a few seconds until it's dried completely. And then we're just going to repeat this step for the next 2 plates. Now we're just going in again with some more glue. I'm just following that can underneath. I'm just following that line. It looks about good. Now going in with another can, just right in the middle, right back on top of that other can. So this is just going to be like the center. And again, just hold it for a few seconds. Make sure it's all dry, and we could always go back in and add a little bit more glue around. All right, just going in again, right on top of that. I'm just trying to get a really good amount on there because it's such a thin base. And now right here, I have just the little bit like smaller size than the bottom. Just trying to get this in the middle. And these plates are just from the dollar store, super nice and cheap, but it's gonna make a super beautiful Christmas decoration. All right, now this is the top can. So I'm just putting the glue right on the bottom. Also gonna place some on the plate. And again, just trying to get as good of like the middle center point as possible. For this next step, I'm just gonna take some glue all the way around, just like kind of randomly placing it on this plate. And I'm gonna take some snow blanket and we're just gonna put this all around every single one of these plates. I'm thinking that this is a little bit too wobbly, so I think I'm gonna take this can off the bottom, place there, and I think I'm gonna move it to the top just so it's a little bit more sturdy because I don't want it to fall over. And then more hot glue. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go and like fill any missing spots with some snow. All right, I've got some garland right here, and I'm just gonna wrap this together with these lights all the way around. Okay, I'm taking more hot glue on that edge of that plate and taking that garland, and we just want to glue the garland part right on the edge. Perfect, and we're just gonna continue this all the way around. All right, now this is all done with the green garland on there. And now I'm gonna take my little Dollar Tree ornaments and we're just gonna wrap this all around and we're gonna decorate it just like you would decorate your regular Christmas tree at home. We're gonna take this and just wrap it all the way around everything. All right, and now the last finishing touch to this beautiful masterpiece. Can you guess what it is? The star, of course. And we have a big star because this is a big, beautiful tree. Now slide that on here and voila. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I lied. We're gonna do one more finishing touch. I have these little lights here and I'm just gonna place them kind of underneath, not completely underneath the garland, but kind of hiding in there a little bit. Let's get these on. This is looking so cute. It's like a little Christmas village. I love it. Okay, and there you have it, a perfect little North Pole village. It's super cute and fun, super easy craft to make at home, and it's the perfect size tree for my home. And almost everything was from the dollar store. So super cute and definitely budget friendly. I'm gonna plug these lights in and see the finishing look. Turn these working lights off. Wow, this is so pretty. It's the perfect little night light too. This little house is my favorite. It's so cute.